Thank you very much for visiting this channel. I create a new video each day at 8 p.m. GMT. So each day at 8 p.m. I will publish a new video on this YouTube channel. But why you should join me and watch videos with me? I am a WordPress plugin developer. I create plugins that help you earn passive income online. I created plugins like Newsomatic, Crawlomatic, Echo RSS, and many more. I have 104 WordPress plugins right now available for sale on CodeCanyon, and each and every of them will help you create an online passive income. And the videos that I published on my YouTube channel will help you build the foundation of the passive income that you will earn by using them. So these plugins include affiliate marketing plugins and passive income plugins and also auto blogger plugins. Every video I publish here on my YouTube channel is intended to help you achieve your goals in earning a passive income online. I talk about my failures, my challenges, and also my successes. So you won't see only successes in this YouTube channel. I will talk about my failures, my challenges, and also my successes. I assure you that you will love my videos because they will help you grow and get a more substantial passive income. And also what you should do to join the family, the CodeRevolution family. So first of all, you should go to my channel and click subscribe. After you have subscribed, please make sure that you also hit the bell notification to be notified each time I publish a new video on this channel. So if you found this ad helpful, please hit the like button on this video to let me know that I created a good content for you. Also, thank you very much for watching this video until the end. Here are some videos you can watch. This is the latest upload I created, and also another video that YouTube recommends for you. Thank you once again, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.